I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you ever need to lock your NatWest card quickly, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the NatWest app. Launch the NatWest mobile banking app on your smartphone. Make sure you're all logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once you're in the app, look for the Card Management section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account details. Step 3. Select your card. In the Card Management section, select the specific card you want to lock. This could be your debit or credit card. Step 4. Lock your card. After selecting your card, you should see an option to lock card or temporarily lock. Tap on this option to secure your card. Step 5. Confirm lock. You may need to confirm your action by tapping yes or confirm on a pop-up message. This ensures that your card is locked immediately. If you accidentally hit the wrong card, don't worry, you can unlock it the same way by following these steps again. I hope this guide helps you lock your card quickly and easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.